Welcome back to Auto Garage, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about cutting-edge cars, tech, and performance, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the all-new next-generation 2026 BMW 7 Series. Yes, BMW has officially taken the wraps off its flagship luxury sedan, and it's clear they're raising the bar once again. With a bold new design, advanced technology, and even more electrification, this 7 Series is ready to redefine what it means to drive in luxury. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 7 Series builds on BMW's new design language with a more sculpted, futuristic profile. The front grille is even more pronounced than before, paired with ultra-slim LED headlights and a redesigned lower fascia that adds a sleek but aggressive look. The side profile is long and elegant, hinting at the power and luxury beneath the surface. At the rear, the taillights are sharper and more dynamic, connected by a thin light bar that gives it a modern finish. Inside, the 2026 7 Series is nothing short of stunning. BMW has completely overhauled the interior with the latest iDrive 9 system. You get a massive curved display that merges a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Voice and gesture control have been upgraded, and there's a new interaction bar that responds to your touch. Rear passengers are treated to the optional 31.3-inch BMW theater screen that folds down from the ceiling, offering 8K resolution and Amazon Fire TV built-in. The seats are wrapped in luxurious merino leather or sustainable Veganza upholstery, and you get massage, ventilation, and memory functions front and rear. Under the hood, BMW is offering a mix of powertrains. You can choose from a turbocharged inline-6 in the 740i, a powerful V8 in the 760i xDrive, or go all-electric with the i7 xDrive 60 and the newly revealed i7 M70 xDrive. The M70 variant produces a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with an estimated range of 295 miles. All models come with air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and the latest driver assistance features, including BMW's Highway Assistant for hands-free driving on supported roads. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 BMW 740i starts at around $97,500, the 760i xDrive begins at $121,000, and the electric i7 xDrive 60 starts at approximately $106,000. The high-performance i7 M70 xDrive will set you back around $169,000. Optional packages can easily push the total above $180,000, depending on your customization. With stunning design, powerful engine choices, cutting-edge technology,